also clan. Hmm. Where I attack now. So first lightning spell on here, also here. You have to be careful about use lightning spell. You have to break their air defense, and this blower also. It is very dangerous. Then start with complete full force air attack. Again, you have to choose a path from where you can easily get closer to the town hall. So I think here is the part. I deploy my troops here, all the heroes along with 2 healers. After they clear some path, you can use their special powers, and then you have to use wizard. Okay, so you have to make a path at first for 100% success. My troops which I use for this battle are very basic and very planned. You can easily get 100% to use these troops. Thank you. Stay tuned.